Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny Margate, Florida. And today we have another great product to show you. But before I show you, I want to make sure if you have questions, there's our telephone for the store there. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That being said, come this way. What do we have? Well, we got the Ford Maverick. I did a video on this the other day. I did the Revolver X4TS on a Ford Maverick. Now, they basically, on the X4TS, it basically comes with T-slots. Now, the customer decided, you know what? I see these great Elevate system over here that is on my truck, and he said, let's get it on his truck. Now, this is probably one of the best accessories you can get for this truck and for this cover. Why do you say that? Well, what's nice about this Elevate system has 3 settings. It's got 18 inches, which is what's at right now, which in my personal opinion is the best setting because it's just a little bit above the roof. So if you're going to put something like a kayak on here, it would clear the roof. If you're going to put something long over here, it definitely clears all this. Now, if you need to go higher, you can go from 18 to 23 to 28. So this can go up really high. So if he wanted to add another shelf down here and put some more stuff here, bring this up a little bit, he can. To me, this is perfect. Now, I'll show you it's perfect for a lot of reasons. One is, let's go ahead and open this up, is if you want to go open the cover, as you can see, works perfect. Plenty of room right here to open the cover. As you can see, it clears it. Also, when you're driving, you don't even see this stuff. You can have this completely open, have some stuff on top here, have stuff in the bed, and you can see right out the window, no problem. So the stuff up here doesn't block your view, stuff down here don't block your view. It's perfect. This is a great setup. Again, this is the Truxedo Elevate system. This is at the lowest setting of 18 inches, which, like I said, works really good with this. Now, as you know, I've done the cover video, and I've been waiting for this cover to come out forever, and it's here. Boy, do I like it. It's a great product here. All in all, if you get a Maverick and you want to use your Maverick to its potential, this is a great setup for that. Again, you want to go off-roading, you want to overland, you can do this with the Mavericks. You get a nice four-wheel drive, or technically all-wheel drive, and you can do nice off-roading. So you want to put your tent up here. This is going to hold, these hold a lot of weight. This holds 3 different weights. If you got 750 pounds static weight. Now, if you're not familiar with the word static, that means you're not moving. So if you got a tent here and you got 2 or 3 people in there, as long as it's not 750 pounds, which is 3 big size people, this will accommodate it. Now, if you're driving, it's got a 500-pound capacity. Obviously, when you're not moving, you can put more on there. Now, if you're doing off-roading, which on this vehicle is really not a technically off-roading like a Jeep would be or something like that, it goes down to 250. But more or less, the 500 should be the right weight for you. And then again, when you're parked, you can do the 750. Now, if you like this product,